Be sure to smack that like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to click on this video. The amount of support has been crazy lately. Sorry I've dropped off the planet for the last couple of weeks. I'm back to work, grinding hard, but today we have the Nest Hello video doorbell. No who's knocking at all times. HD talk and listen, person alerts, familiar faces alerts, pre-recorded quick responses. This right here is an amazing piece of technology. Looked into these video doorbells for a long time before making this purchase and decided to go with this one. And in this video, we're going to go over why. Be sure to leave a like on the video. Be sure to subscribe now, as we just reached over 500 subscribers. We're on our way to 1K. So monetization, here we come. Comment down below, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, first, we're going to go to a clip here of the neighborhood mailman. And yeah, that's one of the things I got this for. Not only the 24/7 security reason, 24/7 security camera, but also for package thieves. That's a big thing nowadays. But yeah, as we see, our friendly neighborhood mailman here, he's pretty smart. He's like me. He backs into the driveway. If he's got to deliver a package, he wants to go as little of a distance as possible. Checks to make sure it's fine. And he rings the Nest Hello doorbell and leaves the package right there on the
Someone's at the front door.
What do you know? Someone's at the front door. Let's get it. All right, let's go over a little overview here, and we'll talk about some of the specs, and yeah, and then we'll maybe go to a couple more clips, and then we'll give my final review at the end. Has HD video, night vision, 24/7 streaming. That's the big thing that we got it for right there, the 24/7 streaming. The other video doorbells only do motion alerts, okay? That was the big deal breaker for me. 160-degree field of view, and it has quiet time. Quiet time is if your kids are taking a nap, you're taking a nap, you don't want it to ring the chime inside, bam, you put it on quiet time. It'll just ring your phone. All right, let's see here. It's a better doorbell, definitely, than the competitors. And let's do a little quick comparison here. The Nest Hello, like I said, has the 24/7 streaming and continuous video recording. The other guys only record triggered motion alerts, okay, or sound. This has the 4.3 HD video designed to show people from head to toe. The other guys do 16:9. Okay, so that's a different. That's, you know, some people might like the 16:9, but the 4.3 works great for me, and we'll see clips of that later. Like I said, HDR video shows sharp details. Person motion alerts, sound alerts. It's ridiculous. I'll show you some of that in some clips as well. It'll even recognize faces, and you can put like, oh, it's my neighbor, it's my mailman, and it'll say mailman at the door. It's crazy. It's that good. Like I said, can recognize family and friends, and sound a special alert, pre-recorded quick responses. If you can't be there, you can just hit the response to be like, oh, leave it at the door, la-di-da. And here's some of the dimensions for some of you guys that care about that. 1.7 inches wide by 4.6 inches tall, and it's 1 inch thick. So very sleek. Definitely slimmer than the Ring video doorbell, which I was looking at. And let's see. It has the 15-degree wedge, which I put on there so you can angle it more. I'll show that later as well. Yeah, just... I would want to go over this, the bandwidth requirements. It will use a lot of data. It says 150 gigabytes to 600 gigabytes of upload bandwidth per month. So if you have a data cap on your internet, I want you to be aware, this thing is going to be a data hog, okay? And, yeah, let's see anything else here. Languages is compatible with quite a bit, which UK and US is going to be the main of the viewers here. But this is another thing. Now, my doorbell, my door chime on the inside is old. It's older, and it didn't have the voltage to power this thing. So I was a little frustrated, but I didn't let it get me down. Did some more research. You can buy this AC adapter, plug it in inside, run the wire outside to the doorbell, just plug it up to the back of the Nest Hello video doorbell, and it works amazing. I'll show you that in a clip in just a second as well. Here we go. See, I plugged it in right here, the back of my TV stand in our bedroom, and ran the wire down here along the way. You can hide it a little better if you choose to. This is working just fine. Run it through the little crack and crevice there of the door, as you see. Leads all the way up to the tippity top of the mountain, as Dr. Disrespect would say. And goes outside. tape this down a little bit better. And yeah, it runs down the siding here. And kind of fed it in back behind this bad boy. And there she is on all her beauty. Gorgeous little HD video camera. There's the wedge I was talking about, guys. Wedges it more towards the left. Yeah, man. I'm loving it so far, guys. Nest. I'm gonna switch over my other security cameras to Nest cameras, definitely. Now let's go into the zones here. I want to kind of go over this with you guys. You can set different zones to where you get different alerts for different zones. See, the red here is someone's on my porch or something's on my porch and it's close. So I'll get an alert. It'll be a red alert, and I'll know, hey, someone is at the porch. The green alert means somebody's probably driving by the house, walking by the house. So I have that as well. And then outside that will be a gray alert. And you can set all of these up separately. Amazing. Here, I'll kind of show you. Let's see. Hold on. I'm not going to move them all, but I'll kind of show you how you can customize this. You can move all of these. Like I said, I'm not going to move all of them, not mess up the zones, whatever. We don't have a lot of time in this video, and it's already going to be a long enough video. But, yeah, you get the gist of things, okay? Let's see what else we got here. Okay, yeah, and here's the timeline. And this is all on the Nest app on the computer. You can do this on your phone as well. But see, here's a green alert. Let's back it up a little bit more. As the mailman gets to my neighbor's house, it picks him up. And you see how wide this is, guys? And how tall it is? It's crazy, man. It picks up a ton of area. I mean, you can hear outside as well. You can hear the mailman listening to us. He's jamming out. Yeah, man, I can't say enough good things about this thing. And I will go over some of the downfalls later on in the video. And my only gripe with this thing is you see me zooming in. You can zoom in, pan out. When you zoom in, it does get a little grainy, but that depends on your internet speed and how close it is to your router. I have a Wi-Fi extender, and it seems to be working just fine. It's about 15 feet away from the camera. Where, look, check this out. This bird, he's been coming to the last 2 years to the house. Check this out.
You keep it knocking, but you can't come in.
I step away from the door.
All right, guys, so the final verdict. Is the Nest Cam worth your $230 that you worked so hard to make? Maybe to even save up to get it. Well, yes, it is. By far, I'm very happy with this purchase, and I'll definitely do it again. And yeah, man, Nest, I'm definitely going to end up probably getting some of their outdoor cameras as well. Yeah, going all Nest. And yeah, man, like I said, the only issue that I have with it is the motion alerts, which that's not what I got it for. The motion alerts go off really late. Like if you walked outside, you could probably get out of the field of view before the motion alert even hits your phone, and that's not good. So Nest, definitely try to work on that, update that, and that could be an internet issue, but I've seen other people on YouTube having the same issue. It's not a deal breaker for me. Like I said, I bought it for the doorbell, works great, rings my Google Home, amazing. And yeah, got it for the 24/7 streaming, unlike the Ring doorbell, which only does motion alerts, which probably are a little delayed as well. So yeah, definitely, guys, be sure to use the link in the description if you do plan on purchasing it. It'll help me out a little bit. You guys are amazing. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.